How to disassemble a Stihl BG-86 blower. The BG-86 is a lawn and leaf blower manufactured by Stihl, a company that is primarily known for making handheld power tools like saws and drills. The BG-86 features both a blowing tube and a special vacuum tube and bag that can actually suck up leaves. The BG-86 needs routine maintenance, such as fuel filter, air filter and spark plug replacement on a regular maintenance schedule. These repairs, along with others, require disassembly of the blower. Things you'll need: plastic container, pliers, spark plug wrench, screwdriver, Allen wrench. Remove the fuel cap and pour the fuel and the gas tank into a plastic storage container for later disposal. Use a pair of pliers to remove the spark plug boot from the blower's spark plug. Use the spark plug wrench to remove the spark plug. Insert the Allen wrench into the union nut at the base of the blower tube and turn it counterclockwise while pressing down on the tube fastening tab. Pull the tube off once the union nut is loose. Use a screwdriver to remove the blower's case screws. Slide off the case, which holds the recoil starter. Use a screwdriver tip to remove the screws that mount the handle to the top of the blower. Twist the fuel filter lock to the left, until it is in the vertical position and then remove the filter cover. Remove the filter from the filter housing and then use an Allen wrench to remove the two bolts that hold the fuel filter housing over the carburetor. Remove the fuel lines which run from the carburetor to the primer bulb into the gas tank. Remove the single screw that holds the carburetor in place and then remove it. Use a wrench to remove the nut that holds the blower fan in place.